Good morning, students. Today, let us start our class with the lesson Great Inventions. Okay, we see many things around us that make our lifestyle possible. Okay, and here some clues are given. By using these clues, we have to find out the invention's name. Okay, first one. This was developed in 1978 and was made to pinpoint our exact position to within a couple of meters with the help of up to 32 satellites. It became a great invention for explorers, paramedics, and pilots. Okay, this invention means this was developed in 1978. Okay, and with the help of 32 satellites, it tells the point or the exact position where we are. Okay, it helps too much to explorers. Explorers means persons who explore a new or unfamiliar area to learn about it. Okay, explore means travel through unfamiliar area to learn about it. And paramedics. Paramedics means people trained to give emergency medical care to people who are injured, ill, etc. outside the hospital. Okay, and also it helps to pilots. The answer is GPS. GPS full form is Global Positioning System. Okay, next one. It allows us to borrow money from a bank to make purchases, whether we are buying a burger or a round trip to another country. As long as we pay back the money we borrow within the grace period of 25 to 30 days, we do not have to pay extra. Okay, suppose if we have no money in our bank, then also we can borrow money from the bank with the help of this one. Means it is a card, and by using this card we can borrow money from the bank if we have no money in the bank also. Okay, and within the grace period of 25 to 30 days we have to pay it back to the bank, but no need of paying any extra amount. The answer is credit card. You ask to your father also may have this credit card. Okay, and next one is, it is a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. It may be constructed to take on human form, but mostly it is designed to perform a task with no regard to how it looks. Okay, you all know the answer is robot. Okay, and it can do many actions, series of actions it can carry out automatically, and it may be constructed to take on human form, but mostly it is designed to perform a task. Okay, like human, but it is designed to perform a task with no regard to how it looks. Okay, answer is robot. Next one, it is an optical machine readable representation of data. The data usually describes something about the object that carries this set of black and white lines. Okay, here we can see the black and white lines. Okay, and this one tells about the object that it carries. Okay, you can see on the cover of mixie, mobile, or any other important home appliances like a washing machine, etc. Okay, Nowadays it is common. We can see everywhere on the cover. If you purchase anything online also, then we can see on the cover this lines, black and white lines. This tells more about the objects. Okay, what item is inside, about that one it describes more. Okay, and the answer is barcode. Okay, next one, it is a computerized machine that permits bank customers to gain access to their accounts with a magnetically encoded plastic card and a code number. Okay, you all know, by using a card and plastic card and a code number, we can take money from this machine. We can check our account balance, we can take money, everything. If in our bank account there is enough money, then only we can use this card. The answer is ATM machine. Last one, it is a portable electronic device developed by Apple Inc. to allow users to upload and play their music using the device. It has amazing storage capability, the largest model being able to store more than 30,000 songs. Okay, we can store more than 30,000 songs, okay, in this thing, and it is portable electronic device. Okay, who is developed by this? It is developed by Apple Inc. Okay, for what purpose? To allow users to upload and play their music, okay, using this device, and the storage capacity is very high. Okay, the answer is iPod. Friends, hope you have understood this chapter. Let's end this section here. Thank you.